Real life Angry Bird. In 3, 2. Howdy, howdy, hey. How are you doing today? I'm the Moon Frog, and you're watching the Moon Frog Magazine 50 subscriber special.
I didn't remember the moon being that far away.
Alright, welcome back my crazy frogs, and thanks for tuning in for our 50 subscriber special. Now I know 50 subscribers might not seem like much to you guys, but to me it means progression. So I did a little poll on my Instagram story, and out of 3 choices you guys chose blow shit up. So I hope you liked our little intro, and now we're gonna go blow some more shit up. You're gonna have to excuse the bad audio for this video in particular because we're filming in a paint booth. So I don't know if you hear the difference, but there is a lot of echo. So what are we gonna be blowing up? You might have noticed we have some neon lights and we have spare ones. So we are going to take that airbag. We're gonna set it up somewhere here. We're gonna set up some neon against the door. And then we're gonna fire it off at it. And I guess it's kind of gonna be a game of Angry Bird in real life. So let's play some Angry Birds. Oh, I almost forgot. This is gonna be our projectile. So, yeah. Well, we are pretty well ready for explosion. Airbag's all ready to launch, and the neons are ready to receive. So, before we do this, let me just say, thank you to 50 something of you guys now, subscribers, for subscribing to this channel. And if you're not subscribed, well, I encourage you to consider subscribing to our channel so that we can keep growing and doing more dumb shit like this. But enough talking. Now let's see if we can hit some neons. Real life Angry Bird. 3, 2. One. All right. Well, I think we can call that a success. We have 2 neons that survived, which is fine. I'm just gonna slap them back in the box and hopefully we find a use for them someday. But for the 2 neons that didn't survive, let's have a little moment of silence. All right, that's enough. Yeah, so this was our 50 subscriber special. the real life Angry Bird. So that's gonna do it for this one. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit that like button, leave a comment, and hit that subscribe button. Till next time, go out, be rad.